Extract pages from PDF in PicoPDF. Open your PDF file and navigate to the Pages tab in the toolbar to access page-related options. In the page thumbnails, select the page you want to extract. Click the Extract Page button on the toolbar, choose Extract the current page, and select where you want the extracted file to be saved. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to extract pages from PDF files with PicoPDF. Extracting a page in a PDF means separating a single page or a range of pages from a larger PDF document and saving it as a separate file. This is helpful when you only need to share or work with specific parts of a document without handling the entire file. To get started, open your PDF file and click the Pages tab at the top of the window. This will display page-related options and open the page thumbnails on the side of the application. If you want to extract just one page, navigate to that page in the document, click the Extract Page button, and choose Extract the current page. If you need to extract multiple pages, click the Extract Page button again, then select Extract Multiple Pages. A dialog box will appear where you can enter the page numbers or ranges you want to include in the new file. To enter separate pages, add a comma between them. To extract a range of pages, enter the start and end page numbers with a dash between them. If you want to select a specific page to extract, click the Extract Page button and select Choose a Page to Extract. This will take you to the thumbnail section where you can view all the pages in your PDF. Scroll through to find the page you want to extract, select it, and then click the Extract icon on the right-hand side. Once you've selected the page or pages you want to extract, a Save dialog will appear. Choose a destination folder and file name, then click Save to create your new PDF with just the extracted content. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.